is Dr. Maree Bilandzic. I am the Group Head of the Metastasis Biology and Therapeutics Lab here at the Hudson Institute of Medical Research. For me, I have always been innately curious. I love the aspect of doing research where you can combine a practical component with a learned component, and I always thrived under that sort of learning condition. I started my research career here at the Hudson Institute of Medical Research working on a rare type of ovarian cancer called granulosa cell tumours of the ovary. Unfortunately, there wasn't enough research funding into these rare types of cancers, so I moved on to the most common and lethal subtype of ovarian cancer, high-grade serous ovarian cancer, and that's where I found my research niche. There is no early detection test for ovarian cancer, so the vast majority of our patients are diagnosed with late-stage disease on first clinical presentation. Treatment methods are quite aggressive. They involved a hysterectomy and subsequent chemotherapy, but these treatment methods are quite often unsuccessful, and the vast majority of our patients will relapse with chemo-resistant disease. My research is particularly focused on key mediators of chemoresistance and these key drivers of therapy failure, and finding alternative ways to treat ovarian cancer patients and make this disease a manageable one. Current methods of treatment for ovarian cancer involve a complete hysterectomy followed by subsequent chemotherapy. Unfortunately, over 75% of our patients will relapse with chemo-resistant disease, and there are no current chemotherapies or therapies available that lead to long-term remission. My focus is on identifying novel drugs that can target the key drivers of ovarian cancer chemoresistance and attack a population of cells that we here at the Hudson have identified called leader cells. I've always had a passion for science. I love combining a practical component with a learned component. For me, I always knew I wanted to work in something to do with women's health. In particular, I wanted to focus on an unmet need, which ovarian cancer is a huge unmet need for women. I am completely committed to this incredible community of people that we have supporting ovarian cancer research. My passion is really driven by the women that I am so privileged to be able to meet, the families that I'm so privileged to be able to meet, and it really puts your research into a context and gives a greater meaning to the work that we're actually doing, knowing that we are going to change the statistics that are so horrible for women into positive ones to make ovarian cancer a disease that is now a manageable one, not a life sentence. I am incredibly blessed to have two highly active young boys out of work. I completely enjoy spending my time with them. I love their curiosity. I think their questions as to why things happen, what's going on in the world, also feed back into the way that I look at things when it comes to my work. We love Korean barbecue and we love staying at hotels. But yeah, any time that I can have with my kids outside of work is incredible.